The 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air is listed at $30,000 and is located in Sylmar, California. It has 111,111 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission. This hardtop coupe is in great running condition and can be driven anywhere. It is powered by the original 235 motor with a 3 on the Tree manual transmission. The vehicle is all original, including its shiny black paint, and retains all the bells and whistles from its era. The exterior of the car shows no visible rust, highlighting its well-preserved condition. The interior features a black off-white dashboard and an off-white dark gray color scheme. Upholstery is a cloth vinyl combination with fabric inserts in the rear seat, styled as bench seats and appearing to be in good condition. Under the hood, the engine bay is generally clean and well maintained, though some components show signs of age or patina. The blue flame engine is visible, indicating the car's authenticity and originality. The trunk's condition is not fully shown, but the interior visible in one photo suggests it is in good condition. A tan-colored metal container is visible, which is not a traditional trunk lining material. This 1953 Bel Air is a fully original vehicle, including the factory paint, and is equipped with all the period-correct features. It is described as being in great running condition, ready to drive anywhere, and is offered at $30,000 or best offer.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Starts on a dime. Turn signals work. All lights work. It's a little dirty, just gotta wash it.
The 1946 Studebaker M15A is listed at $39,990 and is located in Cedarburg, Wisconsin. This vehicle has 301 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission. The exterior showcases a teal green paint with black fenders, while the interior is finished in beige tan with brown leather upholstery. The truck has been in the same family since 1951 and is being offered for sale for the first time in 73 years. The truck underwent a comprehensive restoration in 2007, including a body-off restoration that could not be duplicated for the listing price. The engine was fully rebuilt, including pistons, rings, bearings, and valves, along with a new carburetor, fuel pump, and lines. The starter and generator were also rebuilt. The clutch, pressure plate, and throwout bearing were replaced, and the flywheel was machined. The transmission was resealed and inspected. The braking system received all new lines, a master cylinder, NOS wheel cylinders, relined brake shoes, and resurfaced drums. Interior and underhood wiring were reproduced, a new heater core was installed, and the speedometer and radiator were rebuilt. The bodywork includes NOS front and rear fenders, bed header, floor, tailgate, and new hood ornament, center, and grille. The interior was restored with new reproduction glass door panels and a roof liner. The seat was rebuilt with an original style cover. The truck bed is clean and in good condition with a smooth painted metal surface. The undercarriage shows some surface rust, but is structurally sound with brake lines and components in good condition. The vehicle originated from Roothouse, Illinois, and comes with a title dated from 1951. Detailed history and many spare parts are included with the sale. The truck is stored off-site and viewings are by appointment only. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air wagon is available for $32,000 and is located in Westminster, Colorado. It has 33,490 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is red with a white roof, presenting a shiny finish with no visible rust. The station wagon body type enhances its classic appeal. The interior boasts a tan color scheme with a red dashboard, combining beige off-white and red upholstery. The seats are bench style, crafted from leather or vinyl with fabric inserts, and are in good condition with no significant wear. Under the hood, the engine bay is clean and well maintained, featuring a modified engine with a chrome air cleaner and other aftermarket components. This Bel Air is described as a very clean driver, running and driving excellently. It is noted as one of the best driving show cars, with everything functioning properly and tracking well. This vehicle is ready for shows or regular driving, offering a reliable and visually appealing experience. The 1953 Chevrolet Handyman wagon is listed at $25,000 and is located in Des Moines, Iowa. This vehicle has 42,180 original miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a two-tone combination of surf green on the bottom and woodland green on the top, maintaining much of its original patina with minor surface rust and touch-ups on the passenger rear door and quarter panel. The body is solid and the tailgate and glass hatch are fully functional. Under the hood, the wagon is powered by a 285-stroker straight-six engine with a dual Fenton 2-barrel carburetor setup totaling 4 barrels. This engine provides superior power compared to the standard 216, 235, and 261 straight sixes, and it is noted for its reliability and performance both in town and on highways. The engine features a split exhaust manifold with true dual exhaust, exiting from the rear corners. The transmission is a stock original 3-speed manual, rebuilt and converted from column shift to floor shift using a Hurst conversion kit. It includes a new clutch and newer U-joints. The braking system features Willwood front disc brakes with a dual master cylinder, and the rear brakes are from a 1953 Ford 1-ton with NOS 1953 Corvette drums. The suspension includes new rear leaf springs, shackles, and shocks. Inside, the interior retains its original seats, headliner, door panels, and brightwork, all in good condition. The original rubber cargo mat is present in the back. The chrome shows some dings and surface rust. The vehicle is equipped with 15-inch Coker-wide white radial tires. The glass is mostly in good shape, with a small chip in the windshield and a recently replaced driver's door glass. Upgrades include a vintage 1956 aftermarket air conditioning unit, digital radio with Bluetooth capability, power steering, vintage seat belts, a Wix oil filter canister, a Class 3 receiver hitch with trailer wiring, a new radiator with an auxiliary electric fan, vintage Dietz amber fog lights, and a roof rack from an older Ford wagon. The wagon comes with spare parts, an extra clutch, a factory radio, aftermarket towing mirrors, and other accessories. The 1956 Ford Thunderbird is priced at $28,500 and features a V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The car's body, paint, chrome, and interior are all in excellent condition, making it suitable for both show and driving. With 80,000 miles showing and a clean title, this California car is a very nice example of a 1956 T-Bird. The exterior showcases a hardtop convertible body type with red paint that appears glossy, though some imperfections are visible. There are no signs of a fresh paint job. The interior is red with off-white accents, featuring a red dashboard with white accents. The upholstery is leather with off-white fabric inserts, styled as bench seats. While the upholstery shows some wear, it remains generally intact, reflecting its age. Under the hood, the engine bay shows a degree of age and is not overly clean, but the major components seem present and may require servicing. The trunk's visible area appears clean. The seller mentions possible trade interest for a Studebaker Avanti, Golden Hawk, or Packard Hawk. The Thunderbird is described as a solid show and drive car, ready for enjoyment. The 1940 Plymouth Belvedere is priced at $4,800 and is located in Lombard, Illinois. It has been in the same family since new and has 48,000 miles. The car runs, drives, and stops with a 10-gallon fuel cell in the trunk. It operates on a new 12-volt battery, while the original 6-volt system remains disconnected, with all wiring intact but not currently connected. The vehicle features a manual transmission and holds 40 psi oil pressure and coolant. The brakes have been replaced front and rear, and the tires, though old, hold air. This is a project car that wouldn't take much to get roadworthy, and the price is negotiable with a bill of sale. The exterior of the car is black, with a body type classified as a sedan. The paint is dull and shows signs of age and wear, with visible rust, particularly on the rear bumper. The interior features a dark brown beige dashboard and a color scheme of dark blue beige off-white. The upholstery material is cloth with plaid fabric inserts on the front seat, styled with bench seats in both the front and rear. The condition of the upholstery is worn and damaged, with significant wear and tear on the seats and some visible fabric damage.
crushes 45 pounds.
The 1940 Chevrolet Master Deluxe is priced at $16,000 and is located in Troy, Missouri. This model has 6,222 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior are both finished in black, with the body sitting on an S10 frame equipped with a 4-link rear suspension. It is powered by a 305 small block engine with a mild cam paired with a 700 R4 transmission. The car has front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. While not a showpiece, it is a solid driver that requires some TLC and minor repairs, such as a non-functioning front right turn signal and headlights, and a master cylinder replacement. The master cylinder is included with the car. The interior reflects use with a smoke odor from the previous owner, though efforts are being made to improve it. The upholstery is smooth, pleated leather, in good condition. The dashboard and interior are black, and the engine bay is clean and organized with some aftermarket components. The trunk is relatively clean, carpeted, and free from visible rust, with some items stored inside. The car is described as fun to drive and attracts attention. The seller is open to negotiation for serious buyers.
She needs to be cleaned up for sure.
The 1948 Willys Jeep Rock Crawler is available for $16,000. It features a Willys Jeep body with a beige tan exterior and a black interior. The vehicle is powered by a 350 throttle body engine paired with a 350 transmission and a Dana 300 transfer case with J and B conversions twin sticks. It is equipped with Dana 60 Ford rear ends, both welded with a 5.13 gear ratio. The suspension setup includes a B-Core 4-link system, coilover Fox shocks on the front, and Fox gas shocks with an anti-rock sway bar on the rear. Full PSC hydro steering enhances maneuverability. The Jeep rides on 43 by 12.50 by 17 TSL SX Super Swamper tires mounted on beadlock wheels, providing excellent off-road traction. The exterior paint has a matte or slightly satin finish with no visible rust. The interior features a simple design with black vinyl or similar synthetic material upholstery, likely bucket seats, all in good condition. The dashboard is also black, complementing the interior color scheme. The underbody shows signs of dirt and grime typical from off-road use, but no significant damage is visible. The truck bed is modified with a painted red bed liner and a metal storage box, appearing clean and functional without rust or damage. The bed liner is a painted-on coating, providing durability for off-road adventures. Although the Jeep requires some finishing work, it runs and drives as it should. It includes doors and is located in Salem, Missouri. The seller is open to trade offers. This rock crawler is built for rugged terrains, offering a robust off-road experience with its specialized components and setup. The 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe is priced at $8,000 and is located in New Richmond, Wisconsin. It has 55,000 original miles and features a manual transmission with a 3 on the tree setup. The car is equipped with its original flathead inline-6 engine and is currently in storage in Roberts, Wisconsin. The exterior is blue, and while the paint maintains a decent shine, it shows signs of age with minor imperfections. Surface rust is visible on the undercarriage and some chrome areas. The interior features a dark brown wood grain dashboard with gray leather-like vinyl upholstery in a vertical ribbed style. The upholstery shows signs of wear and age, but remains largely intact. Under the hood, the engine compartment displays signs of age with some surface rust and disorganized wiring, indicating it hasn't been fully restored. The underbody of the vehicle reveals significant surface rust, and there is no evidence of recent brake system work. The trunk shows some surface rust, but is not severely rusted through. It is fairly dirty and cluttered, with a carpet lining. The Plymouth is a running, driving, and stopping car, ready for someone to appreciate its classic charm. This 1947 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, priced at $30,000, is located in Elberfeld, Indiana. It features a 454 SS short bed with 99,999 miles on the odometer. The truck is powered by a Gen 6 454 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission mounted on an S10 frame. The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior is black. The vehicle is described as a great running truck, although the speedometer is non-functional despite a replaced cable and gear, suggesting an issue with the transmission or gauge. The truck currently lacks heat, but an underdash kit is available for installation. The interior requires a headliner, and the paint is rated at an 8 out of 10, with the drive quality also rated at an 8. The interior is rated at a 7 due to unfinished elements. This is not a SEMA show truck, but is a reliable and visually appealing driver. It was driven home 300 miles without issues after a trade for another truck. The owner has made several fixes and additions to the vehicle. This Chevrolet comes with a clean title and is ready for a new owner. It offers a robust and reliable ride, though it lacks heating and air conditioning. The truck is not a high-end show vehicle, but provides a solid driving experience and is priced well below the $50,000 to $60,000 range. It is a dependable option for those seeking a classic truck with modern performance capabilities. The 1931 Plymouth two-door coupe, valued at $32,000, is a custom project located in Auburn, California, with a mileage of 31,000. This vehicle has been owned by the seller's father since high school, over 35 years ago, and has been consistently covered and stored. The exterior is painted in a shiny red, maintaining a vibrant appearance. The body type is a coupe, enhancing its classic aesthetic. Mechanically, this Plymouth features an automatic transmission, offering a smooth driving experience. The interior showcases a dark brown-beige color scheme with a light wood dashboard, complementing the vehicle's vintage appeal. The upholstery is crafted from leather, styled in a button-tufted design. While the leather displays some signs of age and patina, it remains in good condition without any significant wear or damage. This 1931 Plymouth coupe stands as a testament to meticulous care and preservation, with a detailed history that adds to its unique character. The car's overall condition reflects the dedication to maintaining its original charm, making it a noteworthy example of early 20th century automotive craftsmanship. The 1949 Ford 150 Super Cab, priced at $40,000, is located in McCall, Idaho, and has been driven 1,100 miles since its restoration. This unique truck began as a 1949 F1 and has been converted into an F650, featuring an extended cab, bed, and step side. It is equipped with an air ride suspension and onboard air, providing a smooth ride. The chassis is from a 1985 dually, and the motor is a 1995 International 7.3 turbo diesel with 80,000 miles. The automatic transmission ensures ease of driving, and the truck runs and drives perfectly. The exterior boasts a dark red-maroon paint with silver-gray lower panels, which appears shiny and free from visible rust. The body type is a pickup truck, highlighting its robust design. The power windows and locks, along with a backup camera and air horns, add modern conveniences to this classic vehicle. Inside, the dashboard features a silver-gray metallic finish with maroon accents. The interior color scheme includes maroon and gray, with upholstery made from gray-patterned cloth. The front bucket seats and rear bench seat are aftermarket replacements, maintaining a good condition with minimal wear. The truck bed is clean and free from visible rust, covered with a tan beige canvas for protection. This Ford 150 Super Cab is a standout with its blend of classic style and modern features, making it a remarkable piece of automotive craftsmanship. The 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria, priced at $28,500 and located in Jurupa Valley, California, is a classic hardtop coupe with a two-tone exterior of cobalt blue and a very light silver that resembles off-white. The paint appears shiny and in good condition with no visible rust. This vehicle has logged 1 million miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a robust 390 cubic inch motor and a 4-speed top-loader transmission with a Hurst floor shifter. The car is equipped with a 9-inch rear end, a proportion valve for the front disc brakes, and new rear drums. Inside, the Fairlane boasts an off-white interior with a black dashboard. The upholstery is made from a vinyl or leather-like material, smooth and possibly quilted in sections, and appears to be in good, intact condition. The car includes lap belts in both the front and back seats and an old-style AM/FM radio cassette player. Notably, the air conditioning system is installed under the dash. It turns on but does not blow cold air. The trunk is entirely carpeted in black and contains a small spare tire, also covered along with the original bumper jack. The vehicle features yellow 1956 California license plates. The engine bay is clean with many chrome components, suggesting it is well maintained. While the engine appears modified, this cannot be confirmed solely from visuals. Additional features include 50s style back covers and the car's original bumper jack. The Fairlane Victoria is a testament to the 1950s automotive design, blending classic aesthetics with some modern enhancements, making it a noteworthy piece for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The 1939 Cadillac Series 75 Fleetwood, priced at $29,500, is a 7-passenger limousine located in Scottsdale, Arizona. This vehicle is a remarkable example of automotive history, believed to have 37,639 miles on the odometer. The car is finished in a mostly original factory black exterior, showcasing an elegant patina and excellent chrome. It is powered by a 346 cubic inch L-head V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and runs exceptionally well. The vehicle features hydraulic drum brakes, wide white wall tires, and dual side-mounted spares. The interior is mostly original, featuring a tan color scheme with beautifully preserved wood grain trim and functioning dashboard gauges. The upholstery is cloth with a buttoned, tufted style, showing some signs of age and wear, but remaining generally intact. The dashboard is a dark brown wood, adding to the classic appeal of the vehicle. The trunk is clean, lined with brown carpet, and shows no visible rust or damage, maintaining its original structure. The body of the car is rust-free, with excellent glass and original chrome. All gauges function, though minor repairs are needed for the radio, wipers, and courtesy lights. The engine bay appears clean and well-maintained, with components in good order. This Cadillac is reportedly a piece of American history, having been purchased by former New Jersey Governor and United States Senator Arthur Harry Moore for official business and special occasions. This rare survivor is one of only 412 formal sedans produced in 1939, making it a rolling piece of American history. The vehicle is both a conversation piece and a drivable piece of history, perfect for any prestigious collection. Arizona buyers must pay a 6.3% sales tax. The 1950 Bentley Mark VI, priced at $28,000, is a well-preserved British luxury sedan located in Portland, Oregon, with 89,000 miles on the odometer. This model showcases iconic pre-war styling, finished in a dark green exterior with a brown leather interior. Imported from the United Kingdom in 1986, it was maintained in Santa Cruz, California, until 2002. At 85,000 miles, significant mechanical work was performed, including the replacement of pistons and rings, valve grinding, and carburetor rebuilding. A comprehensive brake overhaul was completed, addressing the wheel cylinder, master cylinder, and servo. The manual transmission Bentley underwent inspections of the front suspension and exhaust system by a Rolls-Royce expert in Marin, California. This expert also performed detailed cosmetic work on the engine compartment and trunk areas. The interior features newer leather seating with the dashwood, headliner, and interior chrome in good condition. The car received a high-quality respray some years back, maintaining its elegant appearance. No significant rust is present on the body or chassis. The undercarriage shows minimal surface rust, with the brake system in solid condition. The trunk is lined with a dark-colored carpet, indicating careful maintenance. This Bentley Mark VI is eligible for vintage tour events, offering a blend of elegance and usability. The current owners have completed a comprehensive tune-up and shift linkage adjustment, ensuring the car is ready for immediate use. The vehicle starts, runs, and drives excellently, embodying the high standards of quality and comfort for which Bentley is renowned. The 1951 Chevrolet 3600, priced at $24,000, is a 3/4 ton truck located in Eagle, Colorado. This vehicle, with an odometer reading of 13,226 miles, features a manual transmission. The truck is predominantly original, including the owner's manual. The exterior is finished in a dark green paint that retains a glossy and well-maintained appearance. The body type is a pickup truck, and photos show no visible rust. The interior is light beige tan with a dashboard and upholstery in the same color. The upholstery consists of a leather bench seat, which shows some signs of age and wear, but remains generally intact. The truck's engine is a Chevrolet Thriftmaster Inline 6, housed in a relatively clean engine bay that appears to be in good working order. The truck bed, analogous to a trunk in a traditional vehicle, features a wooden floor that is clean and structurally sound. The tires have good tread but exhibit sidewall cracking due to age. The emergency brake and speedometer are currently inoperative. This vehicle has been stored indoors and driven minimally over the past 18 years, contributing to its preserved condition. The 1955 Willys wagon, priced at $27,000, is a classic station wagon located in Minooka, Illinois. This vehicle is a testament to mid-century American automotive design, showcasing a full restoration completed approximately 6 years ago. The exterior is finished in a vibrant red, with the paint in excellent condition, free from visible rust. The interior features a gray metallic dashboard and gray vinyl bench seats, which are in decent condition, displaying minor wear typical for its age, but no significant damage. This Willys wagon is equipped with dual overdrive and four-wheel drive, enhancing its capability and appeal. The engine compartment is clean and well-maintained, with components appearing intact. The trunk area is similarly well-kept, featuring wooden slats over a metal floor, all in good condition without visible rust or damage. Originally, Willys produced around 300,000 of these wagons, often used as workhorses, which has contributed to their rarity today. This particular model stands out due to its excellent preservation and restoration, making it a desirable choice for collectors and enthusiasts. The vehicle embodies the rugged charm and durability that defined its era, offering a unique driving experience that harks back to the mid-20th century. This Willys wagon not only holds historical significance, but also provides a practical option for those seeking adventure or wishing to add a distinctive piece to their classic car collection. With its robust design and enduring appeal, this vehicle is ready to embark on new journeys while being appreciated for its craftsmanship and historical value. The 1952 Jeep Willys CJ3A is listed at $12,000 and is located in North Palm Beach, Florida. This Jeep CJ-style roadster has undergone a comprehensive rebuild, now featuring a Buick 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive with locking front hubs. The vehicle has accumulated 5,800 miles since its rebuild, and all service records are meticulously documented in a binder. The exterior is painted in yellow, though the paint shows some imperfections and lacks a high-gloss finish. The body displays visible signs of rust, particularly underneath, which is typical for vehicles of this age. The dashboard is also yellow, complementing the exterior, while the interior is finished in black vinyl. The upholstery consists of simple bench seats, appearing in decent condition with minimal visible wear. Mechanically, the engine bay reflects its age and usage, with some dirt and grime present. The engine is complete, though not meticulously detailed or cleaned. The undercarriage reveals surface rust, yet the brake lines and components are visible, suggesting the brake system is generally intact. However, a more detailed inspection would be necessary to fully assess the condition of the brakes. This 1952 Jeep Willys CJ3A offers a unique blend of classic design and modern functionality, making it a suitable choice for enthusiasts seeking a vintage driving experience. The vehicle comes with a clean title, and while it is available for purchase, it is noted that the current owner does not use it frequently. The 1951 Chevrolet Style Line, available for $11,500, is a custom four-door sedan located in Staunton, Illinois. This vehicle has 20,239 miles on the odometer and is finished in a striking two-tone pink and gray exterior. It retains its original inline six-cylinder engine paired with a manual three-speed column shift transmission. The interior has been refurbished in gray with pink and black accents, maintaining a stylish and clean appearance. The upholstery is in good condition, featuring gray fabric bench seats. The exterior paint is light pink with a black roof, appearing shiny with no visible rust. The dashboard is light pink, complementing the overall interior design. This Style Line rides on Krug-R True Wire wheels with thin white wall tires, enhancing its vintage aesthetic. The engine bay is relatively clean, showing signs of age, but no major issues, and retains typical components from the era. This Chevrolet Style Line is in excellent overall condition and drives very well. It is a head-turner, making it an excellent candidate for a V8 swap or a cool car show cruiser. The vehicle is sold as is, and inspections are recommended to ensure it meets your expectations. This classic car combines a well-preserved example with the potential for further customization into a V8-powered cruiser. It offers an excellent opportunity for car shows or leisurely drives, showcasing its unique style and charm. The 1968 Ford Limited XL is priced at $32,500 and is located in Des Moines, Iowa. This convertible model has 37,587 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a shiny black paint with no visible rust, maintaining excellent condition. The vehicle is equipped with a new rebuilt transmission, new brakes, and new springs in the front end. An electric fuel pump ensures all systems are fully operational. The newer nylon top and new boot complement the overall appearance. The interior is black with a matching dashboard and features leather bench seats that appear to be in good condition. The upholstery is well maintained, offering a comfortable ride. Under the hood, the engine bay is clean and the engine is well maintained, featuring a blue 300 90 cubic inch style air cleaner. The trunk is clean and in good condition with no visible rust and a carpet lining. This Ford Limited XL represents a solid choice for those seeking a classic convertible with reliable performance and a well-preserved interior.